Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you the best strategy for Monopoly Go. Now the thing is, you need to first level up a few times to actually get the multiplier, because now I can set all the rewards times 20, and if you have a lot of dice, for example you have about 400 or 500 dice, you can set the multiplier really high, and as you can see, all the rewards go times 20. And from here you have a couple of bonuses running. Now let's say the Blessed Feast, everything goes times 20. So once you get and trigger a bonus, it goes actually times 20, and you complete like multiple bonuses in one spin, and it's very easy and very fast. I just went through another board in like 15 minutes, so it goes by really quickly. And as you can see here, already 40 plus, and now I'm just collecting stickers and leveling up really fast and getting a lot of cash just by playing on 20 times. Now make sure to just roll unlimited, and as you can see, already triggered another bonus, and right now a 550 bonus is waiting on me, as you can see, and this is just going by quickly and very fast. Now if this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. But most importantly, thank you for watching.